Okay, take two, guys. If you just watched that previous video, if you haven't, have a look at it. It's pretty funny. I just flew my Rekon 5 and tested out my Betaflight 4.4 return to home and land feature, and it landed perfectly. Well, not quite. It actually just came crashing down, and I couldn't actually grab it again, so she came plummeting down really hard. So yes, it returned to home and landed, but not really how we like. So I'll have to investigate that. I haven't done it yet because I'm going to take out the Rekon 4 and I'm going to test that. Fail safe, return to home and land. Let's see how we go with this one. Like I said, have a look at my previous video if you haven't seen it. If you have seen it, fingers crossed, guys, that this one works okay. If it looks like it's a bit dodgy, I'll try and kill the return to home straight away so I can regain control. Unlike last time, not too sure what happened. Let's get those GPSs locked in. The wind's died off a bit. Let's take out this Rekon and hopefully I'll have better results. Let's go. Yeah, I had tons of satellites too with my last return to home failure, so I have 9 here. That should be plenty to roughly determine where I am. Betaflight 4.4 return to home, take 2. Okay, I have the little home button there. I just saw the home icon, so it knows exactly where I am, 3 meters from here. Oh, I'm not going to go very far at all, guys, because I didn't really like what happened last time. I'm just going to really close trees down here. The altitude is going to be 70 meters. Okay, all well so far. Before we do a long return to home, I'm just going to do a short one here, guys. So 10 satellites, 110 meters from home, 70 meters altitude. Okay, so the altitude's saying minus. Okay, that may have had something to do with it, guys. Altitude 8. Right, yeah, that actually could have something to do with it. You see how my altitude's dropping down to in the negatives there? That's not cool. Okay. That, I believe, is the telemetry that the flight controller is using to land. So it may have been white plummeted to Earth once it hit 0. Okay, let's land it and try and get that altitude fixed. Flying. So we've got -1 now, so let's try again. An altitude of 3, that's 2 meters. It's not quite correct, is it? Okay. Let's see what happens when we do a return to home. Let's not fly down too much. Maybe the top tip there, guys. Fly uphill, not downhill. Not sure. Okay, so how far from home are we? And now we're reporting an altitude of minus. Okay, get back in the positives. Altitude of 25, 140 meters from home. Okay, that's a tiny bit more distance. Similar to what I did last time. 20 meters from home. Okay, let's go, guys. Turn to home. Let go of the sticks. See, we're going up to 30 meters, 35, 30. Okay, turning to home. And we're going to get ready to engage return to home. Nope. No, it's just fallen to earth. Oh dear. Absolutely fallen to earth. Bad. Real bad.
A few moments later.
Telemetry recovered. GPS fixed. Telemetry locked. Telemetry recovered. GPS fixed.
So if you do lose your quad in the middle of nowhere, guys, SkyZone 04Xs have a little beacon finding feature. So I've just taken off the luminaires, so I've got a directional spiral there, and let me tell you, I am nowhere near where I thought it landed. So core temperature's getting hot of the quad, so I've got to move it. Oh, look at that. Shit. Oh. Let's turn it off. Oh. Okay. Turn that off. Holy moly, worth its weight in gold, guys. Oh shit. Another bloody crash and burn. It's covered in dirt. I'm sort of hoping it's still okay. Flight controller cooked up to 94 degrees. Look, that was a complete failure. Betaflight, return to home. Whew, use with caution. I had no trouble with this before I installed 4.4. Of course, yeah, I've updated the Rekon with the latest firmware that's required for the 4.4 return to home feature. I'm puffed. I've just been all over the countryside looking for this thing. What a bugger. Let's go back to the workbench and salvage what we can. Hopefully it's not too damaged. I'll give you guys an update soon. Probably crack open a beer. Whew. I set the throttle values to where they should be. Pretty sure I had everything set to what it was meant to be on. A little bit cobweb in the head, but as you just saw, do not try this at home. Thanks guys, Skypilot, crashing quads for you. See you next time. Bye for now. Where the hell's my car?